So yesterday there is a question about how to make the traditional prescription for coughing. The first thing you need to prepare is this one. It's a lemon or jeruk nipis is okay. And then very simple with soya sauce or ketchup. All the materials, all the ingredients are organic and natural.
Yes.
So inshallah there is no side effect, yeah?
Yes.
Very healthy, right?
Uh,
Okay. Now this is how. Yes. This one, this one. This one you prepare the lemon and then you cut like this. This one you cut like this, yes.
yes.
And then you put into a spoon. And then put this one. What we call this, Nana?
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Very simple, right?
Alright.
Yes, this is no chemical, so inshallah there is no side effect. Okay. And
Okay.
then how this one directly you consume. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gimana rasanya, Nar?